Hey guys, so today I'm going to be decoupaging a Tokidoki unicorn figure. It's one of the blank figures that you can paint, but I decided that instead of painting it, because there's like another one that I have that I actually painted, but this one I've had for years and I haven't done it, and when I painted one, it didn't look that good. So I thought decoupaging it could be fun, and I saw someone on YouTube who decoupaged, like, it was like a big apple, and he used some tissue paper from the dollar store. And so I'm just gonna be using Mod Podge and then this gloss finish for once I'm all done. And I'm gonna be using this paper. It's Tokidoki origami paper, and I have tons of the paper here. There's tons of designs, as you can see. I think, yeah, this is one of the designs I'm using, like the full page. Let me turn it around so you can see. Oops. And then I think there's another one I'm using. I wanted them to be all matching instead of just doing random ones. No, it's not this one. It's this one. And I think there was another one, but yeah, you get the idea. They all look pretty similar. I have smaller pieces over here, a little bit of larger pieces here, and then I have bigger ones, which I might cut because I don't think I'll need this many, because there's pretty small areas and crevices that I'll have to put. And I hope this turns out good because I've never done this before on a figure, but yeah, I thought it'd be fun. So first I'm going to start with some of the bigger areas. Since the guy in the video used like a bigger object, he was able to use a brush, but I feel like it'd be a lot harder to use a brush since this is so much smaller. So yeah, I'm just gonna dip it in the glue, and I'm gonna put it right on the thing. I'm gonna put it right here. And then I'm gonna use my fingers to smooth it out. Right on the face. And I'm trying to be careful that it won't move around a lot. I know the guy in the video too, he measured out specific pieces and stuff for the thing, but I didn't really do that. And then right now you can't really see the designs, but once it dries, if it works, you should be able to see it. I'm trying to smooth out some of the little bumps here. And since I added a ton of glue, I'm just gonna spread it around to other areas too, because I don't need to dip all of them in glue. So yeah, that piece turned out nice. There's still a few little bumps. But with my dry fingers, I'm gonna try and pick up a few pieces. Some of the more smaller pieces here. I can dip my finger in glue and smooth that out too. I like a lot of Tokidoki stuff, and I've had this origami paper pack for a while, and I didn't really use it for origami. I tried to do it, but origami is just difficult for me. So I thought this was a cool idea. That way you can use some of the paper, and hopefully it looks cool. That piece looks good. Now I'm just gonna continue around the face. I'm still working on the head, but now I've moved to a brush because it's a lot easier to get in like the crevices, especially back here and right here on the lower part of the head. It's harder to do it with my fingers, but so far it's turning out pretty good. I have mostly just the face done, and now I'm working on the top of the head, like the horn and the mane, I think that's what it's called. So yeah, I like how it looks so far. So now I have the head finished. Most of the front is all dried. I set it outside when it was sunny out, luckily, because now it's starting to storm. So luckily I didn't put it out when it was gonna rain and ruin my decoupage. And the back is still wet because I did the front right before I ate dinner and I wasn't able to finish all around. And then I set it outside and it dried pretty nicely. And then I just did the back, so it's a little dry. So now I'm going to work on the body, and I gotta be more careful because there was a spot like right here. You can see there's one piece here. There was like a hole right in the middle, and the piece of paper landed here on the plate. I must have placed it down and accidentally did that, but it looks okay. So yeah, you can't really see a lot of white spots, and I think it's turning out pretty cool. So I have this much done so far. I've been drawing it as I go. I have like a little thing. It's the same thing I used to do these crayon paintings to melt it, but I'm just using it. An embossing gun, but I'm using it to dry it a little bit as I go. That way I don't mess it up. But anyway, I wanted to show you how crazy the weather is, because you couldn't really tell in the beginning of my video, but it was sunny outside and it was nice. And now it's raining, and it's storming really badly too. But yeah, that's the rain, and then that's like the water thingy. I don't know what that's called, gauge, whatever. So yeah.
The runoff.
The runoff
Yeah.
from the roof.
And then the next thing you know, it'll be sunny again.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
You can see that I'm almost finished with everything. A lot of the parts are dry now. I wish there were some parts that weren't really as like wrinkled, but I couldn't really smooth them out the best. Right now I'm working on the tail and the feet and then just the bottom here, and then I think, yeah, I'll be finished. Well, then once all of this is dried overnight, I'll do a glossy taco for the decoupage. Obviously not using glossy taco, but using a thing. Maybe I'll buy another one. I'll put hollow taco on here. That could be cool. My mom's telling me to decoupage everything. Decoupage my gaming chair, the PC case thing, which I hope I can do some streaming. I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet. I mean, I got OBS and stuff. I tried, like, not practice stream, but like have OBS open if I was streaming Overwatch, because I got that on my computer. And I also have Minecraft, so that could be cool. I'm finally finished adding all my paper everywhere. I'm just gonna carefully turn it around to show you. I made sure there was no spots left. And yeah, it looks really cool. And now I'm gonna let this dry for 24 hours, and then I'm gonna add my glossy taco. Now it's been 24 hours and it's all dried. I added the glossy taco gloss finish spray to seal it all together. And then I let it all dry and it turned out pretty cool. You can definitely see like some of the paper is a little bit messed up, and I feel like I could have done it a little bit better. And I did miss a few spots like right here, but that was kind of hard to put the paper there. But other than that, I think it turned out pretty good. And now I want to decoupage a bunch of stuff. And it was really fun making this. It was pretty easy too. Probably took like an hour to put all the paper. Took a while, but it turned out really cool. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.